In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the triple click for guided access is not working on your iPad 11 A16. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Guided Access. Now from here, just make sure that the toggle for guided access is turned on. After that, just tap on Passcode Settings, then tap on Set Guided Access Passcode. Now just create a passcode for guided access. After you do that, then just enter your passcode one more time to confirm your passcode. After you do that, then just go back to the Accessibility settings, and from here just tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Now from here, just make sure that the option for guided access is selected. Now just drag guided access to the top. And after you do that, then just do the triple click on the power button and check if guided access is working or not. Now if you're trying to do the triple click to enable guided access, but if it is simply not working, then just check that the app in which you're using guided access is supported or not. Because there are some apps in your iPad which does not support guided access, like the settings over here. Also, if you try to use guided access on the home screen, it will not work. You will have to open any app which supports guided access. For an example, if I open the Photos app and if I do the triple click, a pop-up will appear on the screen which asks us which shortcut we want to use. Just select guided access and you will turn on guided access on your iPad, just like that. Now to turn off guided access, just triple click on the side button, then enter the passcode for guided access. Then select End, and after you do that, you'll end the session for guided access on your iPad. Now let's say if you have done all of that and if guided access is still not working on your iPad, then in that case just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up and the volume down button, then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And after you do that, then hopefully guided access will work on your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.